what's going on, guys? So I'm here with Zip Tie Zach. The other night I took the Miata out. We did like a quick little run to Gandy. There was nothing going on out there, but we got a little frisky when we went out there and we hit like 10 pounds of boost. So now I'm like, what? Seriously, you hit 10 pounds. And I'm invigorated now to do the Miata. So it does have a massive oil leak. So we're gonna fix that. It's coming from the sandwich plate, I believe. I'm gonna redo the vacuum. It melted all the vacuum hoses, by the way. Oof. So that's his first drive that far on the turbo setup. So we're gonna go to the other garage, get the Miata, but you guys didn't see the video yet. I'm gonna post it soon. I lowered the bike, put the links in. That'll be a separate video. You can tell a big difference?
Yeah, I mean, it's easier to balance.
Right.
Like before it was kind of, I mean, it's a big bike, so
right.
It's heavy. But now it's...
I wish I was as tall as you, bro, because you're like sitting, knees bent, like perfect, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, no, it's definitely perfect now. I can almost flat foot it, which is perfect. So we're gonna go over to the other garage, grab the Miata, and then when we're done, we're gonna go experience 10 pounds of boost. I know you were sketched out, but now I'm so confident that it's fine. Like, I know how much to hit it.
It runs so rough at idle, like...
Well, the problem is, at 4,500, when you're hitting it, it really starts to... Oh my God, what is that? I thought it was like a bat or something.
Does it come in hard, or does it slow?
I have to say, let's go fix it, and then we'll go rip it. So we're gonna attempt to drag the Miata with some zip ties in this, so we don't have to push it.
Do a wheelie.
Almost.
Yeah, it was close. Mr. Miyagi.
So the boost gauge line right here, you can see it's all flattened. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run to advance also, and I'm gonna just get 10 feet of black hose, and we're gonna take this off, and I'm not gonna tee it from here. I'm gonna just do a separate vacuum source, maybe from here to the boost gauge, and make sure it's all like, and then I'm gonna hook up the wastegate and then the boost controller too.
This is gonna be interesting.
You can either drive the four-wheeler or you can steer the other. This is like more work than what it was doing.
To push it?
Push it. And we're only pushing it so it doesn't get hot so we can work on it. That's it.
Do you think you got it, or do you need my
Oh,
expertise?
zip tie Zach, I forgot. We're just wasting zip ties, by the way.
I mean, yeah. I have extra at the house. Go figure, right? Guess I should have brought one more.
No, there's only two, that's all we need.
Oh, it'll be golden.
Oh.
Just as long as we don't
Okay.
break it. All right, let's close up this garage. Oh gosh.
Whenever you're ready.
All right, I got power steering. We're good.
Good?
Yeah. I'm manning the brake. Easy.
Okay, well, it's 10 to 1.
What's up? I'm Zip Tie Zach. This is how we move a Miata.
But we're gonna try. If not, we're just gonna push it. We're not going far. We created so much extra work here. Are you ready?
Easy, easy.
I'm gonna go easy. Ready?
Hold on. No. I gotta get power steering. All right, we're good. We're good, we're good, we're good.
Oh yeah. Should I hit it to the next gear?
No! The speed's gonna break it.
The more this works, the closer we get back to home.
Exactly. Oop, easy.
Alright, make it a ladder. This is where it's been a failure. Oh no, we're cooking now.
Oh yeah, we're moving.
Alright, I'm gonna take a long right.
Okay.
Brakes! Oh my god, that was epic fail.
Oh shit.
Oh. All right, let's take a wipe. Note to self.
Don't do that again.
Brakes not work?
They did, but I didn't know you were slowing down like that.
Did you get that on film?
Yeah.
The whole thing?
Yeah. Alrighty then.
Well,
At least it held together. Oh no, it cracked.
a couple minor adjustments. And, I'm sure it'll be just fine. All right, guys, we made it back from Advance. We got some new vacuum hose. I think we discovered what the leak is. We know it's coming from the side of the sandwich plate because it's actually spraying on the windshield. Went ahead and deleted the whole evap canister. So once that's out of the way, I believe, so there's a lot of room down there. So you think it was just the feed for the top, right?
Yeah, so the feed from the sandwich plate. It's kind of loose. I've been spinning it here.
So, okay. We can actually see down here now without with the canister going. Okay, and I've been working on rerouting all the vacuum lines. They didn't have any of the bar fittings that we needed for the turbo or for the... Wait, huh? Oh, or for the wastegate. But I got some new hose here, and I want to just run a dedicated hose to each thing just to make sure it all runs right. So I ran the hose to the blow-off valve to the intake, and then from back there we're going to run to the boost gauge. We're going to go out and test this thing out. Alright, so we got all the new lines run. We're now starting it up. Just going to let it warm up for a minute so we can see if we really narrowed down that oil leak. I don't see anything coming from it.
Very small.
Does it come from the bottom?
It's hard to tell because it's just running down the bottom.
Well, there's no oil coming from the top where you tightened it.
It's just seeping out of the bottom.
Seeping out of the bottom? Do you think it's the sandwich plate itself? We're going to tighten that. Alright, well we're going to take it back apart, look at the sandwich plate, and go from there. Alright, so essentially the only way to test this leak, because it was barely coming out, I know that when me and Alejandro took it out to Gandy, it was sprayed oil all up on the windshield. So we're going to take it down 60. We're also going to test out the blow-off valve and just see if having a different vacuum source and dedicated line, as well as the boost gauge. We'll see how that works as well. The gauge is working way better than it did before. Take a look at that gauge.
Oh gosh.
Anything could happen at this point. It's untuned on a map. You all know the deal. I mean,
Just out here sending it.
just out here gonna send it.
I don't know. It's hard to tell. What did the gauge say?
Gauge said 5 pounds.
When you were hitting boost, when you're at 5 pounds, it was breaking up.
Right, breaking up bad. I've learned this is how I gotta slow down so it doesn't like stall. You just gotta baby it right to the very end.
Just about to where it's idle RPM. This thing needs a tune bad.
But did you really feel anything with the 5 pounds?
I mean, a little bit. Look, you're used to 30 plus.
That's true. Oh yeah, I wouldn't go past that. It's breaking up bad.
I heard the blow-up valve there. Yeah, you get to 4,000 RPM and it's like,
Doesn't want to do anything, yeah. So we figured it out. We think that if we just shift before $4 grand, if we're gonna race some anybody. It won't break up, it'll be perfectly fine. But I guess we are hearing the blow off valve more, and I can tell a big difference now between NA and what this was. Just shifted before 4, so.
I mean, we're doing like little 2 grand pulls to 4 grand.
Yeah.
And it's pushing me back in the seat.
Yeah.
But it is not happy.
No, it's not happy. Breaking up pretty bad. And here's the best part. Diesel. Diesel.
Oh god, that was terrible.
Listen, I would tell anybody to buy a Miata. This thing is 233,000 miles, untuned, on a MAF, and it goes from gas to diesel. And we're probably running mostly 87 in it. I topped it off a little bit with 93, but for the most part, it's got 87. But. Got a good one.
Yeah.
Put some more 93 in it. And
just keep cycling in the 90.
yeah, just keep cycling in the 93. I was thinking about octane booster, but I don't know if that would be a good thing. So.
I got one of them things.
Yeah?
Yeah, I got a fucking Ferris wheel too.
Hell yeah.
Jesus, what the hell is that?
It was a Miata.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Oh, film that guy.
I gotta see you in
Huh?
a minute.
You gotta film that guy.
That thing's legal?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. It's got headlights and taillights.
It definitely kicked out a lot easier.
Oh, yeah. Kicked out a lot easier.
Oh man.
Not gonna lie, that was rowdy for 4 grand.
That was fun.
All right, guys, so it was definitely an easy day. Turned very interesting. We tried to tow the Miata and crashed it. We realized from 2 to 4 grand, it pulls hard from 2 to 4, and we kind of solved the oil leak problem. So thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.